Hello students, today we are going to learn about comic relief which is there in our BA second year syllabus. It is there in our literal terms. What is it and when do we use it? Comic relief is a literary device used in plays and novels to introduce light entertainment between tragic scenes. It is often used in the shape of a humorous incident, a funny incident, a tricky remark, or a laughing commentary. It is deliberately inserted to make the audiences feel relief. In this sense, it makes the tragedy seem less intense, although it is often considered a diversion. It plays a significant role in advancing the action of the play or the novel. Etymologically, comic relief is a phrase of two words, comic and relief. The meanings are clear that it is a relief provided through comic incidents or remarks. Comic relief is the inclusion of a humorous character, scene, or a witty dialogue in an otherwise serious work, often to relieve tension. Comic relief usually means a releasing of emotional or other tension resulting from a comic episode interposed in the midst of a serious or tragic elements in a drama. Comic relief often takes the form of a bumbling, wisecracking sidekick of the hero or villain in a work of fiction. A sidekick used for comic relief will usually comment on the absurdity of the hero's situation and make comments that would be inappropriate for a character who is to be taken seriously. Other characters may use comic relief as a means to irritate others or keep themselves confident. Sometimes comic relief characters will appear in fiction that is comic. This generally occurs when the work enters a dramatic moment, but the character continues to be comical regardless. Greek tragedy did not allow any comic relief within the drama, but had a tradition of concluding a series of several tragic performances with a humorous satire play. Even the Elizabethan critic Sidney, following Horace Ars Poetica, pleaded for the exclusion of comic elements from a tragic drama. But in the Renaissance England, Marlowe, among the university wits, introduced comic relief through the presentation of crude scenes in Dr. Faustus, following the native tradition of interlude, which was usually introduced between two tragic plays. In fact, in the classical tradition, the mingling of the tragic and the comic was not allowed. Comic relief is a pause for the audience. It provides them with an opportunity to feel light-hearted and enjoy something new. It also gives them a chance to smile at something different. Although it sometimes seems awkward, it happens in real time too. That humor is the spice of life, where tragedy becomes too heavy to tolerate. Also, it proves a moment of reflection for the characters. William Shakespeare deviated from the classical tradition and used comic relief in Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, The Merchant of Venice, and Romeo and Juliet. The porter scene in Macbeth, the gravedigger scene in Hamlet, and the gulling of Roderigo provide immense comic relief. The mockery of the fool in King Lear may also be regarded as comic relief.